welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time I just wanted to come on here and remind you guys that if you haven't gotten my box yet, be sure to go check them out. So this is my collaboration with Your Nail Lab, and so I have posted a video of me unboxing this box, as well as a video of me reviewing it and doing a set on my nails. So today I'm going to be doing another set on my nails using everything, or mostly everything, that's included in this box. But this box is going to be $35. This is the luxe box, which include a set of nails. It comes with some bling, an acrylic brush, 2 jars of acrylic powder. It comes with polygel gel polish. And I believe that's it. So it comes with a little bit of everything that you could ask for. This is also Makartt's first time ever doing the acrylic powder, so I'm super excited about that. As I mentioned, there is going to be a luxe box, which is this one, and then there's also going to be a regular box, which is $25. And you could also sign up for their subscriptions, which you can do like a 3-month or a 6-month, but I'll be sure to leave all of that information down below. I also want to mention that to show our appreciation, we are going to be giving away the luxe box. And not only are we picking one winner, y'all, not 2, but we're literally going to be picking 3 winners to receive the luxe box. So I'm super excited about that. That information I will be posting on my Instagram. The rules will be really nice and simple. And then you're also going to be able to join the giveaway as many times as you want. So again, I'll be sure to post the link down below, and then also I'll be sure to leave my Instagram down below, which is at getnail32. If you don't follow me, be sure to go follow me on there, because I'll be doing a lot of random giveaways every now and then. So again, I'll leave that information down below. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't even know what I'm doing on my nails, y'all, but like I said, I'm gonna be using the products that's included in this box, and I might use a few random items from Makartt's website as well, and whatever I use, I'll be sure to link that down below. But again, I hope you guys enjoy and continue watching.